welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
Good morning from Falmouth, Jamaica. We made it. We were not. Yep, there's a Disney cruise here. We were not originally supposed to be in Jamaica, but because of Hurricane Milton, that has changed our itinerary quite a bit. So today we're going to be in Falmouth, Jamaica, and we have an excursion booked. We're going to go to a local beach nearby, and we've never been there, so we're excited to check it out. Hopefully it's really beautiful. But just look at the pretty mountains. There's a Disney ship here.
I already said that.
Brinley did already say that.
And I see someone fishing.
See someone fishing? Oh my gosh, he is fishing down there. The pilot just dropped the pilot boat just dropped off the pilot, and now they're just sitting down there fishing. But anyways, I'm ready for a fun day. You gonna have a Jamaican beef patty today, Brin?
I don't know.
I am, for sure. All right, here we go. Hey, Brinley and I are walking down to grab coffee.
Jump?
I didn't jump. Oh man, here, get me jump. Let's go jump. Ready? Jumped. You jump. Yeah. Anyways, we're going down to get coffee now for me and Jay.
5?
We are parking the ship in Falmouth, Jamaica currently.
There's a Disney ship.
There's a Disney ship here. Let's go get some coffee. Looks like we're just finishing the docking process right now.
And then go on this one and then mommy you go on this one.
Which one, Taylor?
That one.
This one. Welcome to Falmouth, Jamaica.
So,
Disney Fantasy here with us today. We're walking to our tour, trying not to be late. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Not too tight, Taylor.
Come on, Taylor.
Too tight.
beach it up.
Blue Waters Beach Club.
Herman, you ready for the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're walking to our bus to get to our excursion. What's it called? Blue Water Beach. Blue Water Beach Club.
Blue Water Beach.
Blue Water Beach. Here's our ride to the Blue Water Beach Club. Little bus. They say it's a 10-minute ride.
10 minutes, we got this.
Okay.
Let's get the sunscreen on.
We made it. We got ourselves some seats here right on the beach. We are excited to explore.
You guys want to go swim out here?
Let's do it. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Hey there.
Oh,
Welcome back.
I felt a crab.
You felt a crab? Dad?
We didn't even go anywhere because she won't go.
Didn't go anywhere.
I'm going to go check it out and see if
Oh,
there's
Dad's
anything
gonna
to
go check it out. Okay.
see. Got a Corvette on the water here.
How neat. Watch this sick trick.
Sick trick. Sick trick.
Dad and Bryn are out trying to snorkel to see what they can find. Taylor, you're not feeling the snorkeling today, babe?
No.
Why? You love snorkeling, I thought. Eh? You don't love snorkeling anymore? Okay. It's got a cool shell, though. Looks like a booger. Doesn't it? Beautiful, though. Pretty cool. Good find, Taylor. What'd you see out there?
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Look at all the fish. Look at them all.
It is so loud, but we're having some beef patties. How is it, Bryn? How do you like it? Medium? All right, Dad, you take a bite.
They're very thin.
Very thin.
Nothing is being spoken. Let's do it again. After 25
You love it?
years, he
You
says,
want to?
You like my phone?
watch it. Alright, so right about now, you guys are all here. You guys are all winners.
Hi, TT. We made it. We're back.
Store now.
We're back at the port. We're gonna stop by our favorite spot here in Falmouth. It's
And
called
go to a store.
the Patty Port. It has the best
And go to
Jamaican
the
patties. They want to buy a toy. We'll see.
Toy.
Of course, they always do. Let's go to the Patty Port. Ooh, Brinley got a bracelet. Can I see it again? I didn't get a good look.
Focus here.
Oh, yep. Lots going on right now. Cute. You know the Patty Port is good when the line is this long. And guess what? We're waiting because it's worth it.
Patty port.
Patty Port. Another sign that things are good, that the food is good, is that a bunch of crew members are eating here. So many Royal Caribbean uniforms. But there's the Disney ship over there, Disney Fantasy, I believe it is. And here's our ship, the Wonder. I got our patties, waiting for Jay. Him and Taylor are shopping right now. Here's Dad taking a bite of the
Patty port.
OG Patty Port beef patty.
Mmm.
So good. Let's
We
hear
got
it.
one earlier today.
Yeah.
It just doesn't compare. These are just so good.
These are just so good.
They're so good.
Oh my goodness, Brinley Rain. How is it? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a
My turn.
Hi.
Patty port patties.
Mm,
They're so good. Right? It's just like not even a competition. They're just so much better.
top notch. So yummy. Mm.
So good. Mmm.
What happened?
It's so good.
So good.
It's hard to explain how good these are. Mmm. If you ever go to Falmouth,
Make a stop at Patty Port.
hit up the Patty Port. You won't be disappointed.
Come on, Bryn. Gonna go, Taylor? Gonna join them? Bryn doesn't want to either.
Bryn, wake up. Come alive. Bryn.
Got a souvenir.
Taylor got a souvenir. What is it?
It's shells with a Jamaican.
It's a keychain, and it's got shells, and it says Jamaica. And there's Bryn still not participating. Now she's dancing. Now that she's not dancing with the crew anymore. Ooh,
It's called Shy.
it's called Shy. Yeah, she's shy. All right, we're walking back on the ship now. Wonder of the Seas. Whee! We're back on the ship now, enjoying some pool time.
Are you excited, Terry? Don't go.
Well, it just started raining, but that's okay. Taylor wanted to see if the flow rider is open, and if it is, she wants to do it. So big news, Taylor is now tall enough for the flow rider. So let's see, she actually did it yesterday and did a really good job. Caribbean night. I'm hungry. Hey!
We watch Inside Out too.
Inside Out too.
I thought Taylor's watching.
Taylor's watching it too. Just looked out the window and we are officially setting sail. Adios, Falmouth, Jamaica. Adios.
We got Chucky Moon.
We got chalky milk. Did you know that I love French onion soup?
It's so good here too.
So good. What you got? You got 2?
Coconut scrimps, lentil soup. Kimberly's got the French onion soup.
Yum.
Let's see how it is.
Oh, I can't eat it yet. It's so hot.
Last night it was fire. Might have to let it cool off.
Ooh. So good, but so hot. Caribbean night. I got the Caribbean chicken. Daddy-o got
I
a
normally
steak.
get that. Yeah, I normally get the chicken, but we had like a Caribbean lunch today. So Kim got the New York strip the other night. It was really good.
It was so good.
So I'm going New York strip tonight.
Yeah.
Yep.
Enjoy that.
I will.
Bring it up high, Bryn. Bring it up high.
Oh, sorry, I almost hit you. Sorry about that.
Break it down, Bryn. Yeah, Dad.
And down.
Up and down. Up, down, up, down.
And right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Not even a bunk in there.
Hit me in the head.
Alright, I was doing left right.
Third time.
Alright, dessert time.
I got the blueberry cobbler.
Blueberry clobber.
Brindley got ice cream and so did Taylor. And a cookie.
Ice cream and a cookie. Oh. Going in for the bite. How is it?
Delicious.
Blueberry clobber.
Blueberry clobber.
How's it, Bryn? Okay, how is it, Taylor? Alright. Good, sounds good.
Okie dokie, we're gonna close it out. How was your day today in Jamaica?
Good.
Good? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What'd you think of the beach?
It was good.
It was good. We had a good day. Overall, we had a really, really great day. We had a lot of fun, memories made. And yeah, we're going to wrap it up. And more fun come. More fun coming. More fun coming up. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time.
If you're not subscribed, be subscribed.
Okay, bye.